Good morning children, this is 5th standard English class. Today we are going to do using a Venn diagram. In our previous class we have discussed about the signal words when you are comparing and contrasting the biographies or any stories, and whereas can we compare children. As I told you, given you the example of price, quality, biographies, stories, any stories, we can compare and contrast. So many things we can compare and contrast. For example, if you want to purchase any phone also, you can compare two different company phones. Yes, the quality, the features, the price, everything you compare and then you will purchase, right? Not only that, when you are purchasing books also, different publication books will be there. You will see the different publication books and then you will take the books, right? So anywhere we use the comparing and contrasting. We will see the differences and we will see the similarities also. Okay, example, I have shown you one example. Just look at the board. See here, I took the example of a scooter and a motorcycle. I wrote the differences and similarities of scooter and motorcycle by using a Venn diagram. Okay. A scooter has small tires whereas motorcycle has bigger tires. Have you anytime seen the scooter and motorcycle? Activa, Jupiter, Scooty. Yes. They have smaller tires whereas motorcycles like Hero Honda, Pulsar, all these bikes have bigger tires. And they have under-seat storage. Under-seat storage means you call it as dicky, right? And for motorcycle, do you have any under-seat storage? No, we don't have. Only one small pouch will be there in front on the petrol tank, right? And coming to the mileage, for a scooter it gives the less mileage, whereas for the motorcycle it gives more mileage. These are the differences of a scooter and a motorcycle. And what is the same thing? And both are two-wheelers. Yes, both are two-wheelers. So I took this example so that you can understand better. And like this you will be writing the similarities and differences by using a Venn diagram. Now we are going to write the similarities and differences of the two biographies of Malala Yousafzai and Charles Lindbergh. Open your workbook children. Open your workbook children, block number 21, S2. Block number 21, yes, 2. Write the date as 18/1/2021. 18/1/2021. S2 using a Venn diagram. Fill in the Venn diagram with details about Malala Yousafzai and Charles Lindbergh. See here children, there are two circles and in these two circles you are going to write the differences, and where is there same you are going to write the similarity, and this is called the Venn diagram. Whenever they ask about Venn diagram, you have to draw the circles and write the similarities and differences. Okay. Yes, see here children, I wrote the differences and the similarity between Malala Yousafzai and Charles Lindbergh. I'll first read out about Malala Yousafzai. First point, Malala believed that everyone had the right to education. Second point, she spoke badly about the need to educate girls. Third point, she wrote an internet diary about her life. Once again I am reading, check the Malala Yousafzai. First point, Malala believed that everyone had the right to education. Second point, she spoke badly about the need to educate girls. Third point, she wrote an internet diary about her life. Okay, and here I wrote about Charles Lindbergh. First point, Lindbergh was a skilled airplane mechanic. Second point, he designed everything in his own plane the spirit of St. Louis. Third point, he willingly learnt about the new system about air navigation. Sorry, children, this is NEW. Once again, I am reading. Lindbergh was a skilled airplane mechanic. Second point, he designed everything in his own plane, the spirit of St. Louis. Third point, he willingly learnt about the new system about air navigation. And what are the similarities between these two characters? These two personalities? One is brave and the other is daring. These are the two similarities. These two things both the characters have in them, right? Both are brave and both are daring, right? Coming to second question. Who inspires you more, Malala Yousafzai or Charles Lindbergh? This you have to write by your own, children. Who inspired you more, Malala Yousafzai or Charles Lindbergh? Any one name you are going to write and see here. What are some qualities common to people who change the world to make it better? Explain. What are some qualities common to people who change the world to make it better? Explain. Okay, look here, children. Some of the common qualities are being pioneers, brave and daring. Both Malala and Charles had been very brave to face all the challenges that came in the way of their dreams. Once again, I am reading, just check. Some of the common qualities are being pioneers, brave and daring. Both Malala and Charles had been very brave to face all the challenges that came in the way of their dreams. Okay, children, complete your workbook, and I want you to write grammar from grammar guide, that is page number 50, block number 21. Compare and contrast. I want you to write this definitions of compare and contrast with signal words. Okay, write this bit in classwork and complete your workbook. So by this I'll end the session, children. Meet you in the next class with the topic creating an outline. Thank you.